Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro to a 2018 Hyundai I30, stock number 7461. It's running from the 3rd 2017 to the 12th 2020. There's a D4 FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard, 1 dent. Right front 17-inch factory American tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Looking with a gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.